PC expansion cards enhance functionality by adding graphics, sound, networking, and storage capabilities, improving overall system performance and versatility. My today's video is about top 5 best PC expansion card that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at LDLRUI PC expansion card. This USB PCIe expansion card is a highly practical upgrade for desktop users needing faster and more versatile connectivity. By adding two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports, it delivers impressive speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, powered by the reliable ASM3142 chip and PCIe 3.0x4 interface, making large file transfers, gaming, and creative workloads feel seamless and lag-free. It's especially valuable for older PCs, offering backward compatibility with PCIe 2.0 slots while maintaining stable performance. The dual-power design with optional SATA support ensures consistent operation even with high-demand devices, reducing risks of disconnection or data loss. Installation is straightforward, with both standard and low-profile brackets included for different case sizes. Overall, it's a well-engineered, dependable solution for expanding USB-C functionality, backed by solid warranty coverage and responsive technical support. Now our second product is Sinefine PC expansion card. The SUP4210 PCI USB expansion card offers a balanced and efficient way to boost desktop connectivity with 4 additional ports, 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C, through a compact PCIe X1 interface. Delivering up to 5 gigabits per second total bandwidth, it handles everyday transfers like media files and peripherals reliably, though heavy simultaneous usage may share speed across ports. A standout feature is its ability to operate without an external power adapter, supplying up to 12A total current, which is sufficient for power-hungry devices like external drives and VR sensors. Its built-in safety architecture, featuring dedicated power modules, circuit protection, and voltage stabilization, adds confidence in long-term stability and data integrity. Compatibility across multiple PCIe generations and operating systems, including plug-and-play support for modern platforms, makes it versatile for upgrades. Our third product is Eluding PC expansion card. This 7-port PCIe USB 3.0 expansion card is a powerful solution for users needing maximum connectivity without sacrificing stability. With 7 independent USB-A ports, it's ideal for multi-device setups, allowing peripherals to run simultaneously without bandwidth or power conflicts. The dual-phase independent power module ensures consistent power distribution, even without an external power supply, while each port benefits from its own solid capacitor, enhancing voltage stability and long-term durability. Powered by reliable NEC 720201 and NEC 720210 chips, the card delivers up to 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds, perfect for moving large media files quickly and efficiently. Its ability to provide up to 5V/2A per port makes it suitable for demanding devices like external drives. Broad compatibility across PCIe slots and operating systems adds flexibility, though lack of Mac support is a limitation. Overall, it's a robust, high-capacity expansion card built for performance and reliability. Now number 4, Glotren PC expansion card. This 7-port PCI USB expansion card is a dependable upgrade for PCs, servers, or NAS systems needing expanded connectivity without complexity. Leveraging UPD 720201 and UPD 720210 controllers, it delivers stable USB 3.0 performance with up to 5 gigabits per second shared bandwidth over a PCIe 2.0x1 interface, suitable for most data transfer tasks, though bandwidth is shared across all ports. Its smart 2-group power management design efficiently distributes 5V/3A across ports, supporting multiple moderate devices or a few high-power peripherals like VR gear and NVMe enclosures without requiring an external power source. Each port is reinforced with high-frequency ceramic and solid-state capacitors, enhancing signal integrity and ensuring consistent operation under load. Installation is straightforward with plug-and-play support on modern Windows and Linux systems, making it user-friendly for upgrades. While it lacks Mac OS support and low-profile compatibility, it remains a solid, cost-effective choice for reliable multi-device connectivity. And our last choice is Yeelia PC expansion card. This PCI USB expansion card stands out as a highly versatile upgrade, delivering a generous mix of 7 ports, 2 USB-C and 5 USB-A, making it ideal for users juggling multiple peripherals simultaneously. Whether connecting storage devices, VR gear, or everyday accessories, it significantly enhances desktop flexibility. With transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, it handles large file movements efficiently, though performance naturally depends on connected devices. Its broad compatibility across PCIe slots and operating systems, including support for both Windows and Mac OS, adds to its practicality, especially for mixed environments. Installation is straightforward, even for non-experts, making it a convenient DIY upgrade. While older systems may require driver installation, modern setups benefit from plug-and-play ease. Backed by a 2-year care plan and continuous support, this card offers a reliable, future-ready solution for expanding USB connectivity without complexity. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.